IHOP. So this is my uncle and aunt.
Happy New Year! Happy New
So,
Year!
can I get pancakes? Mommy, I could get pancakes, eggs, and waffles.
Sure.
Pancake with sprinkles on it.
Okay, you could get that. Let's see. Okay. Hi, YouTuber. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone. Wishing you all the best for 2024.
Yep.
Okay, so my drink is lemon drink. And please may I have pancake with sprinkles on it, with some cream on it, and then some sausages with one egg. Hi guys, we need something, and you know what it is. We need dinner.
Cheers, guys. Happy New Year. Woo.
Oh, Happy New Year! And, you know, I saw fireworks and it was so awesome. You don't want to believe how it was so pretty. Good.
So, guys, we got the food. You want the ketchup? There you go. There you go. So guys, this is a restaurant we're going to eat. It's a very nice, beautiful restaurant. There's the parking lot. Hi, Ramalo. So this is what we're doing, guys, for the New Year's. We're with family, Uncle Tan, family, Auntie Sweetie. So, hi guys. We're here getting some food.
How are you? And we're here for fresh cookies here. Santa Cruz
So this is the bread, guys. Happy New Year. Sure. Spinach? There you go.
cream spinach.
Malo. Wow. What are you eating?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast? Wow. So we're at Miami International Airport. We're gonna take Uncle Tony's leaving. Oh, our Christmas has come to an end. Tell Uncle bye. Bye, Uncle Ton. Oh, bye, Uncle Ton. Have a safe travel, okay? Tell Uncle bye. We missed you already, Uncle Taron. There goes Uncle Taron. Out. So let's go home, guys.